In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a custom volume slider using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360, in just a few steps. First, open your project in Storyline 360. After designing the slide, go to the Insert tab and add a slider. This will serve as a custom volume control. Next, add a trigger to execute JavaScript when the timeline starts on this slide. Open the JavaScript editor, paste the code and click OK. This initializes the audio system. Then, create another trigger to run JavaScript when the slider value changes. Open the JavaScript editor again, paste the code and click OK. In the trigger window, set a condition so the script runs only when the slider value is between 0 and 10. This keeps the volume adjustment safe and accurate. Finally, preview your slide and test the functionality. Move the slider, and you will see it directly controls your slide volume.
Role-play scenario. Let's dive into a role-play scenario where a team faces effective communication and conflict resolution can help find a balanced solution that aligns.
And that's it. You have successfully built a custom volume slider in Storyline 360 using JavaScript. Thanks for watching and happy course creating with Articulate Storyline 360.